As we released earlier this morning, there was a traffic stop that was being made by a Columbus City police officer. During that traffic stop, there ended up being a pursuit. Male subject in the vehicle fled the scene in Columbus, came to rural Bartholomew County, where when the police officer pulled up behind the vehicle he was trying to stop, the person got out of the vehicle and fired a long gun at the police officer. The police officer was injured. The hospital subsequently released and is going to be fine. From that point, a manhunt had started because the officer had pulled away, set up perimeters, and we started a manhunt in the area. We want to thank those folks who came down to help us try to find Quentin Stark. Now, at about 12:21 today, we had obviously numerous Indiana State Troopers on patrol in the area where the earlier shooting had taken place. We felt like that the person, Quentin Stark, was probably still in that area, searching that area. And one of our troopers who was on foot patrol actually encountered Quentin Stark in a secluded wooded area near the river. When this encounter took place, Quentin Stark fired a firearm at the trooper. The trooper was not hit, was not injured. The trooper returned fire. During that exchange of gunfire, Quentin Stark was struck. Subsequently, he did die at the scene. At this point in time, we're not going to release, obviously, the trooper's name. That name will be released at a different or later date. But what we do want to say is this: that's really the only information we can release, because right now what we have to make sure is whose bullet it was that actually caused Quentin Stark to die. We want to make sure that ballistics tests are run. We want to make sure that the autopsy has been performed, that we get all the information on the exact cause of death, and also the ballistic information to find out, how many bullets entered Quentin Stark's body and exactly which weapon those bullets were from. So it would actually be very premature for us to try to say that, which weapon was involved in